Welcome to SysCloud. This video will give you a walkthrough of SysCloud Backup for Slack. SysCloud Backup for Slack is designed to help users quickly recover lost data from accidental deletions, ransomware attacks, and other data loss events. Under Slack, we back up all your public channels, private channels, direct messages, files, and user groups. With SysCloud, you can even back up non-admin's private channels and direct messages by requesting authentication through the SysCloud app. Setting up Slack backup using SysCloud is very simple. You can securely connect all your Slack workspaces and define the retention period for your backup archives by creating a backup job. Once set up, the backup runs automatically every day. We also offer an on-demand backup option in case you want to instantly run an incremental backup for a workspace. You can track the daily backup progress for all your connected workspaces from a comprehensive dashboard. The dashboard also displays the usage stats, backup and restore health reports and errors, backup trends, admin roles available, and audit logs of all activities. From the Archives page, you can drill down into a workspace to view the different backup snapshots of all channels, direct messages, and files. With SysCloud's Smart Navigation feature, you can easily search for any valid combination of cloud name, archive level, workspace name, or channel name to instantly navigate to the respective archives or dashboards. SysCloud lets you effortlessly restore data at two levels. You can restore single or multiple threads and workspace files or entire channels while keeping memberships intact. You can also export conversations in CSV format. If you have trouble finding the data you want to restore or export, our advanced e-discovery search will help you locate your data based on filters like workspace or channel name, channel status, keywords in metadata, and more. SysCloud also supports full-text content search for Slack. Admins can easily search for any message using keywords in the conversation. SysCloud Backup app has several features that make it easy for administrators to manage backups and handle restore requests. Administrators can set up multiple backup admin roles with granular controls on access rights. Admins can also keep track of all the restores and exports using our detailed restore and export reports. With SysCloud's granular progress tracking, you can get an accurate time of completion for all your restores and exports. Thousands of IT administrators use SysCloud as a single pane of glass to back up and manage critical SaaS applications. Start your 30-day free trial today.